Welcome aboard the tranquil waters of Lake Constance. As we embark on this serene voyage, allow yourself to step away from the noise of everyday life and step into a space of quietude and peace. Let the gentle rhythm of the boat rocking over the calm lake guide your breath. Inhale deeply, drawing in the crisp, invigorating air, and exhale slowly, releasing any tension or worry. This is your time, your journey into tranquility. The water, a mirror to the sky, reflects the calmness we seek within. As we glide further into the heart of the lake, the echoes of the world fade, replaced by the soft whispers of the wind and the gentle lullaby of lapping waves. Here, amidst the vast expanse of water and sky, you'll find a haven of peace, a sanctuary for your spirit. Feel the gentle sway of the boat as it gracefully moves over the peaceful lake. Allow your senses to be captivated by the stunning scenery around you. The beauty of Lake Constance unfolds in a panorama of tranquil charm. Picture the distant mountains, standing tall and majestic, their peaks kissed by the soft glow of the sun. Along the shores, lush greenery paints a vibrant picture of life, while the sky above mirrors the calm waters below in a harmonious tableau of blues. Now, imagine the boat, your vessel for this journey, moving effortlessly through the serene landscape. Feel the gentle rhythm of its motion, a soothing dance that syncs with the beat of your heart. As you breathe in the beauty around you, the boat becomes more than just a vehicle on water. It transforms into a vessel for your relaxation and inner peace. The boat moves effortlessly, becoming a vessel for your relaxation and inner peace. As you continue your journey, let the silence envelop you like a comforting blanket. This silence isn't empty, but filled with the soft whispers of nature. The gentle lapping of the water against the boat, the occasional call of distant birds, and the rhythmic hum of the engine create a symphony of natural sounds. This symphony isn't just background noise, but a guide into a state of calm and mindfulness. Feel the boat beneath you. It's more than a vessel on water. It's a conduit for introspection. With each wave it cuts through, feel your thoughts dissolving, replaced by a growing sense of peace and tranquility. In this moment, you are not just on a boat, you are part of the lake, the sky, the distant mountains. You are part of this vast, beautiful silence. Allow the present moment to unfold, embracing the stillness that surrounds you. As the boat gently approaches the western horizon, prepare to witness a breathtaking spectacle. The sunset over Lake Constance. The heavens begin to weave an enchanting tapestry of colors as the sun, the grand artist of the sky, dips its brush in hues of orange, pink, and purple. Each stroke transforms the sky into a canvas of warm tones, an awe-inspiring masterpiece only nature can create. The calm waters beneath mirror this celestial artistry, reflecting the vibrant colors in a dance of light and shadow. It's as if the lake itself is blushing under the sun's adoring gaze. This mesmerizing panorama captivates your soul, filling your heart with gratitude for the beauty of this moment. As the sun bids its final farewell, casting long, lingering shadows, the world seems to slow its pace. The sky and the lake become one, united in their embrace of the approaching night. Witness this celestial farewell as the sky and the lake embrace the night together. As the boat begins its journey back to the shore, carry the tranquility of this meditative boat ride with you. Reflect on the serene waters, the soothing sounds, and the breathtaking sunset you have just experienced. These moments of peace and beauty have been a refuge, a gentle pause from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Remember the gentle sway of the boat, the way it danced with the ripples of the water. Recall the distant call of birds, the rhythmic hum of the engine, and the silence that wrapped around you like a comforting blanket. This symphony of natural sounds and the surrounding tranquility have guided you into a state of mindfulness, a moment of connection with the present. As the shore approaches, let these memories become a sanctuary of calm for you, a place to return to whenever life feels a bit too much. Thank you for joining us on this meditative boat ride on Lake Constance. May your journey through life be as serene and beautiful as the waters you have just traversed. Well done. We hope this has done your inner soul a world of good. See you soon, and don't forget to subscribe our channel if you want more meditative content. A long boat trip is waiting for you.